Hi, and welcome to Tamper Dev, the browser extension that sits in the middle between your browser and the website you're visiting. It will enable you to intercept, inspect, along with modify requests from the browser interactively without any additional installed software. Let me show you how it works. First, we'll add the extension by clicking the Add to Chrome button. A warning will pop up, but it's just letting you know that the extension will be able to modify the data of the place you visit. That's fine, so we'll go ahead and click Add Extension. The extension shortcuts are up here in the top right-hand corner of your browser. You can click on this icon of a puzzle piece to see all your extensions and click on Tamper Dev when you're ready to run it. You can also simply use the shortcut Alt-T. Now we'll go to a website. It could be any one, but today we'll go to stackoverflow.com. And then we'll press Alt-T. Now you'll see this new window pop up. We'll then refresh our web page. You can hit F5 to do this, or you can click anywhere on the site. Then you'll see some requests show up. Usually there are a lot of requests. If there's just one that you're interested in, you can run a filter to see only the ones you're interested in. In this case, we'll filter out only the Analytics JavaScript requests. We'll then click Intercept Request and refresh the website, which will run our filter. Once you've found the request you'd like to intercept, click on it. Now you can choose what you'd like to modify, the method, URL, and the headers, or you can just click Send. Once we receive the response, for example, if we click on this button, Get Response Body, we can replace the script to something like Alert 123. When you're ready, click this button, Send Response, in the bottom right corner. You'll then see the result on the web page you were on, now displaying the alert you requested. Control what information gets sent to the browser from your computer by using Tamper Dev. Thanks for watching.